Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Warwick Science's Year 9 Film Practical on Conductors and Insulators. Well, a conductor is anything that allows electricity to be able to pass through it. An insulator is a substance or a material that doesn't allow electricity to pass through it. So our purpose of our practical today is to look at what sort of materials do conduct electricity and then try and devise or make up some sort of rule that we can use to be able to remember that quite easily. As usual, what you will need to do is copy the write-up that will appear in a moment. Then once you've got that down, you can start the video again and complete the practical. Okay, now what we need to do first, of course, is to be able to connect up a simple circuit in able to test whether electricity goes through. So what we use is a battery here, a couple of conductors which are simply wires, and we've got a lamp or a globe there. Always connect it up first to see that it is operational, because sometimes the globe blows or a wire is broken, or even the globe is a little bit unscrewed. What we then need to do is we then need to add a third wire here onto the battery. Now what I've got here is a board that's got a whole range of different materials on it. Okay, we've got some metals on this side and some non-metals on that side. So what we'll do is we'll simply test each one, starting with the metals, and then we will work our way from there. Okay, let's start first of all with the metal copper at the front, and as you can see there, it lights up. So does iron, so does lead, tin works well, aluminium works well, zinc works well. We come to cobalt, which works well, and we go to nickel, that works well. We go to foam, no. Rubber, no. Wood, no. Glass, no. Carbon, yes. And then plastic, no. Okay, so just quickly running through those again. It's a yes for copper, a yes for iron, a yes for lead, tin, yes, aluminium, yes, and zinc, yes, cobalt, yes, nickel, yes, no for foam, no for rubber, no for wood, no for glass, yes for carbon, and then a no for plastic. So what you now want to be able to do is have a look at all those results and come up with a generalized rule. What sort of materials conduct electricity? And then also look for exceptions to the rule. And of course what we would like you to do is to then try and work out why. What is it that causes a material to be a conductor or to be an insulator? And I'll give you a little bit of a hint with that one. We're talking about electrons, because it's all to do with electrons moving, which is how we classify electricity. So once you've done that, once you've got your rule, go and see a teacher, make sure that you've got everything checked off there, and then you should be well on your way to understanding the concept of conductors and insulators. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.